I'm Ashley. I'm a photographer and I have a graphic design certificate, and I'm going to show you with absolutely no skill how to quickly remove a background from any photos that you took on your phone and change it from this to this. What we're gonna do is you're going to get on canva.com. The free account does not let you actually change out the background, but you can use a 7-day free trial to be able to switch your background. If you think this is something that you're gonna do kind of often, I would recommend just paying the monthly rate to be able to do this anytime you want. So the first thing you're gonna do is create a new design. I like to use the Instagram post. If it doesn't automatically pop up, you can actually just start typing it in and it'll pop up for you and you can click on it. And then you're going to upload any photo that you want from your camera roll. You can just take it with your phone and you can either click the upload button or you can drag and drop it down. Once it is fully uploaded, then you can click on it and it'll input it into your blank space. Then you're gonna click edit image, and on the left-hand side, it says BG remover. That stands for background remover. Click that, and voila, it immediately takes away your background. Then you're gonna click on elements, and you're going to search in for whatever background you're looking for. If you're looking for like a camping ground for this one, start typing it in and it'll pop up. Click on the photos section, and then you'll have a whole bunch of photos. You drag and drop it into the background. If you see it expands right there, that's how you know it's filling in the entire background. Then you're gonna click position and click to the back in order to put that background in the very back layer. After that, you can reposition your image and you're gonna wanna adjust the size to make it realistic to whatever size you are to what the background is. You don't want it to be too small or too big. And then you're going to click on the background layer, not your photo of yourself, but click on the background layer. And then if you want to make it look really realistic, I would highly recommend that you click on the background layer, not your photo, but the background layer. And then you're going to go over to edit image and you're going to click blur there at the bottom. And you're gonna wanna switch over to the whole image, not just the brush. And you're gonna wanna change the intensity to what makes sense for this image. So you don't want the background image to be super sharp and then you're kind of blurry. You want the background to be a little more blurry than your photo. So for something like this, just an average cell phone photo, you wanna change that intensity and move it up to around a 10. Sometimes you could do a little more, sometimes a little less, depending on what the photo looks like. But for this photo and image, a 10 does really good. And then I just click the back button and you can see that it changes the background to slightly blurry so it matches and looks realistic with the image that we added in. And then if you want to change the positioning of the photo in the back, you're going to click edit image again and you're going to click crop, and then you can shove and drag that image over to wherever it looks good and makes sense for your images. And then to save it, you're just going to hit share and click download. And you can download it as a PNG. That's a very common one. There's a few other options there. And then you just click download and voila, you're done. It's that simple. So if you want to learn how to take some really good photos with your cell phone, that's super easy. You can do in your living room or around your house. Please click on this video.